I'm in 5 million rands worth of debt, and I'm so happy about it. So what I've done is I've used debt, good debt, to scale my property portfolio. I've used debt to purchase student accommodation and other properties where we will potentially develop on. I also use debt from investors, overdraft facilities, and so on to rapidly scale my Airbnb business. Now, in my mind, this is good debt because the income that I'm receiving far exceeds the repayments that I have to make. In addition to that, in the properties that I've bought, there is substantial equity that we've gained. And that means that we actually have more value because of the value of the property versus the debt that we've taken out. Many people have credit cards and credit facilities that they use to purchase frivolous things on. However, did you know that you can use that same credit facility to start or expand your business? And that's why I recommend using good debt wherever you can to gear your business and scale from there.